Hey, welcome back to the HackByte C++ series. Today we're diving into the world of pointers, your superpower for controlling memory in C++. If variables are like boxes holding your game's data, pointers are the treasure maps that tell you exactly where those boxes are. Ready to level up? Let's hack into memory and unleash your coding power. Smash that like button and let's get started. So, what are pointers? Imagine you're playing a game and you need to find the player's health. The health value is stored somewhere in the game's memory, but how do you find it? That's where pointers come in. A pointer is a special variable that stores a memory's address. It's like a GPS for your data, telling you where to look in a computer's memory. This is huge for game hacking because pointers let us track down stuff like health, ammo, or score. Let's write some code to see pointers in action. First, we declare a variable. Say int health equals 100. This is our player's health. To create a pointer, we use the asterisk symbol like this. This says, hey, this pointer will hold the address of an integer. Now, to get the memory address of health, we use the ampersand and sign. So health pointer equals ampersand health. Stores the address of health in our pointer. Want to read the value at that address? That's called dereferencing. And we use the asterisk again, like asterisk health pointer. This gives us the value stored at that address, in this case 100. Let's see this in code. Run this and you'll see the health value and its memory address. Cool, right? Pointers are like your cheat codes for memory. Now, why are pointers a big deal for game hacking? Games store important stuff, like your health or ammo, in memory. But these values can move around as the game runs, especially in complex games. Pointers are how cheats find and follow those values. Imagine you're building a cheat to lock your health at 100. You'd use a pointer to track the memory address where the game stores your health. Even if the game moves that value, a pointer can follow it using something called a pointer chain. This is how aimbots, wall hacks, and other cheats work. They are all about manipulating memory with pointers. Mind blown yet? Pointers are powerful, but they can be tricky. Let's talk about two common mistakes. First, null pointers. If you declare a pointer but don't give it an address, it's like a map to nowhere. Always initialize your pointers like int asterisk pointer equals null pointer. Second, dangling pointers. If you free memory or a variable goes out of scope, but your pointer still points there, you're in trouble. It's like trying to access a treasure chest that's already sunk to the ocean floor. Always double check your pointers are pointing to valid memory. A pro tip would be to use debuggers or print statements to track what your pointers are doing. Time for a challenge. Write a C++ program that uses a pointer to change a variable's name. For example, create a int score equals 0. Use a pointer to set it to 999 and print the results. Share your code in the comments below and I'll check out the best solutions. Bonus points if you make it a game themed, like changing a player's score in a zombie shooter. That's it for episode 6 of the HackByte C++ series. You're now a memory master with pointers. If you love this, hit that subscribe button, ring the bell, and share this video with your coding friends. Have questions or cool pointer tricks? Drop them in the comments. I'll see you in the next one.